Hello, welcome back to the Pedestal White Society. My name is Braille, and today I want to talk about how to let a man lead in dating. Now, social media has popularized the terms lean back or rest in your feminine energy, which they both mean the same. But no one talks about the mindset that has to happen in order for you to successfully lean back and rest in your feminine energy. The mindset that comes with this means that you will have to detach from the outcome and you have to detach from the expectation that comes with dating, which means for you, you will have to not have any expectations out of this guy that you're dating. You have to detach from the outcome that he may not be the one, that you may have to date a little longer, that dating may take a little longer for you. And that is what it really means to lean back and rest in your feminine energy. But what it looks like for a man when he is leading in dating, it means that he's pursuing you. He takes your number, you don't take his. He plans the date, he plans where you're going and what time the date happens. He needs commitment. He asks you to be exclusive and committed. He leads by showing you that he is a problem solver. This means when you give him a problem, he is willing to solve it. But that is what a man does when he's leading and dating. What a woman does, she has to lean back and rest in her feminine energy. She can't allow herself to get caught up in the what ifs or different scenarios or allow herself to get anxious about a man that she's dating. She has to detach from the expectation or the outcome that this man may not be the one, and may have to go on another day and another day. But that is what leaning back and resting your feminine energy really means for a woman. And I think this is very hard for women. Women are in a society that has pushed a masculine consciousness. So it is very hard for women to grasp that in order for us to lean back and rest in our feminine energy, you have to absolutely let a man lead. You have to let him solve that problem. You have to let him send a text. You have to let him call you. You don't. Now, are there certain nuances that come with and what you can say to assist yourself in this process? Yes, absolutely. I'm going to be presenting that information in my upcoming workshop where I'm going to talk about how to let a man lead in dating. If you're interested in that, you might want to leave me a comment down below and I'll send you an email so that you can get on the list. But if you're going to let a man lead in dating, this absolutely will give you the space to vet. When a woman doesn't allow a man to lead while dating, you don't have the opportunity to vet him and situations to see how he handles them. For instance, if you are calling him instead of him calling you, you don't get to see how he handles if you're not stepping up. You don't get to see if he's going to call you first, if he's going to step in that space to reach out to see if there's something going on. You're not going to get an opportunity to vet a man to see if he's a leader if you lead the dating. But when you allow a man to lead in dating, you get the opportunity to see the nuances. You get the opportunity to pre-vet. You get the opportunity to see how he responds in situations. You get the opportunity to see him under pressure. You get the opportunity to see what he considers dating. You get the opportunity to see what he does as a leader and what type of leader he will be. But when a woman is leading the dating, you don't get to see any of these things. This means you miss the opportunity to catch the red flags. You miss the opportunity to see that this man is not a good communicator. He sends a good morning text or how you doing text. You miss the opportunity to see that this man doesn't pursue anything. And this all, him being unable to pursue you, actually plays into his pursuit of his own ambitions. Trust me when I tell you it's a reflection. And women miss this because they're leading in dating. We should allow him to lead and date. Because while you're leading in date, you're allowing him to lead and date, you get to see how he responds overall to the nuances that happen in life. And then you get to vet him to see if he's going to be a great leader for your household. But we're missing out because you're jumping out there trying to lead in dating. You're missing out all of the yummy information that you're going to get when you let him put his best foot forward, when you let him call you, when you let him text you. Because even the texts and the phone calls that you're receiving from this man is a good indicator if he's a great communicator. You get to see if the some of his communication is what you doing, and you can eliminate him very quickly and move forward to the next guy, especially if you're not doing rotational dating. And I know some women are not keen to rotationally dating. So if you're not doing that, you need to have the skills. You need to have the tools to move forward faster versus staying with this one guy and vetting him for months on end. But you miss out if you lead in the dating. So this is the reason why it's so important to allow a man to lead in dating, because then you get to see how he handles situation. You get to see if he's a great communicator. You get to see if he's a great problem solver. You get to see how he responds to you. Is he resistant to influence? And that's a very big key that he's not going to be a good guy for you. If a man will not allow you to influence him, he will not be a good fit for you. Because research shows that a man that allows his wife to influence him will actually be happier overall in the marriage. So you're missing out on this information that you'll get from dating when you actually lean back and rest in your femininity. And I'm going to go ahead and end this video now, and I'll see you all on the next one. Just always remember one thing: stay a housewife.